It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, June 5th. I'm James Spann. Another day with showers and storms likely. Tomorrow still looks fairly moist, but the latter half of the week trending noticeably drier. Check things out this morning. We have broad troughing across the southeastern states. A very moist, unstable air mass, and the weather today will be much like yesterday. This is the radar early this morning, about 5 o'clock. A number of showers already in progress. And we'll expect occasional showers and thunderstorms today in this soupy air. Temperatures are in the low 70s to start the day. The high today will be mostly in the low 80s, a little below average for this time of the year. There's the watch warning map around the nation. A few pockets where flash flood watches are in effect across the southeastern states, but generally speaking, things are quiet. Severe weather outlook today. We've got a slight risk on the lower Texas coast. A few marginal risks around, but no organized severe weather expected here. Tomorrow, again, green here. That means thunderstorms are possible, but no severe weather expected. Marginal risks over parts of Florida and out west. And on day 3, the green is gone as dry air takes over. This is Wednesday. We've got marginal risk for parts of the Florida Peninsula and out west. Rain for the next 7 days for Alabama amounts between 1 and 2 inches, and that's basically what comes down today and tomorrow. After that, will be dry for the latter half of the week. The big numbers over Florida, the peninsula, where they could see 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 inches of rain in spots. The bullseye is down around Fort Myers. And speaking of the tropics in Florida, we checked the tropical weather outlook coming from the Hurricane Center. Despite the fact that tropical rains are likely there, no organized tropical systems are expected for the next 48 hours and, quite frankly, for the next 5 days. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06E run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, broad troughing over the east. And down below that, a lot of green for the eastern part of the country. That means very humid air with showers and storms around today. It's not going to rain all day, rains at times. Maybe heavy rain in spots, thunder, lightning, but organized severe weather not expected. High should be in the low 80s. And really tomorrow, the same thing, although dry air is getting closer. For most of Alabama, the day will be mostly cloudy, and again, showers and storms are likely. This is at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, coming off the high-res NAM. And this is tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock off the high-res NAM. Initially, it looked like the best chance of rain could be during the morning, with dry air starting to push in, but it looks like we'll need to hold a chance of showers and storms in for most of the day and maybe even tomorrow evening. However, on Wednesday, we should see a nice surge of dry air coming in with dew points dropping down in the 50s. It'll feel much different. The sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Highs low to mid-80s. We note that broad surface low over North Florida. Thursday, that surface low is moving up into the Atlantic, and we're in a very dry air mass. Good chance we start the day down in the 50s. That's going to feel good. The high, low 80s, just delightful. Lower humidity values. And Friday looks dry, sunny, mid-80s. Weather for the weekend, Saturday looking good. Sunny, warm, mid to upper 80s, and the same thing on Sunday. So once we get past tomorrow, a chance we could go 5 consecutive days without showers. That's pretty odd for June here in Alabama. This is Monday of next week, troughing in the west, ridging in the east, and down below that, moisture creeps back in. So beginning Monday, we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms. And this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday of next week, June 14th. Troughing mainly north of us, and again, a moist air mass. That will mean a cloudy day with a chance of showers and storms. Look at the numbers. Yeah, see some 50s in the morning, Thursday and Friday morning. That'll feel good if that can happen. But beyond that, the other good news, no 90s on the board here. This coming off the European. Highs mostly mid-80s and lows toward the end of the forecast period right around 70. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.